In this video, we will be comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the Electactic and the DUMOS. Both machines promise to deliver fresh ice quickly. But how do they stack up against each other? Let's dive into the details and see which one is the better choice for your kitchen. When it comes to pricing, the Electactic ice maker is priced at $89, while the DUMOS model is more budget-friendly at $69. This significant price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for a cost-effective solution for your ice-making needs. The Electactic ice maker boasts an impressive capability of producing 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes, making it a great option for quick ice needs. In contrast, the DUMOS ice maker can produce up to 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours, which is ideal for larger gatherings but may take longer to get started. In terms of features, the Electactic ice maker includes a self-cleaning function, which simplifies maintenance and ensures hygiene. On the other hand, the DUMOS model is designed with a compact size and a convenient handle, making it easy to transport and fit into smaller spaces. In conclusion, both the Electactic and DUMOS ice makers have their unique advantages. The Electactic offers quick ice production and a self-cleaning feature, while the DUMOS is more affordable and portable. Depending on your specific needs and budget, either could be a great addition to your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.